What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the awesome QAV 105, and I have a 350 milliamp hour 3S battery from SPC Maker on it. And these props are the Avan Babyhawk props, the new Babyhawk props. They're 2.3 inches. I think the pitch is 4 or 5, not sure though. Looks like they're very aggressively pitched, but we about to see how this thing flies on them. Let's fire it up. And so let's take off with this thing. So right off, let's look at the punch out. So nice punch out on it. Check it out. Wow. Crazy punch out. Let's go to FPV because it's up too high. Pretty windy out here. It's flying nice. A little static breakup, but I'm behind a bunch of metal over there. Getting a little bit of buzzer. These batteries really don't have a lot of the discharge rate isn't that high. Man, we're getting a lot of wind. I'm gonna take you guys on a little adventure. Let's shoot down this alleyway. Getting a lot of static down here. Let's turn around. Touch the ground a little. Got a little tube right there me and my son discovered. Oh, we went down. Let's see if we can come back up. Ah, looks like we're down. I think I might have lost connection with it. I think that's what happened. Let's see if I can take off. Oh yeah, I was able to take off again. We're all the way up there now. Got the buzzer going off. And the battery tapped out on me. I should have brought a bigger battery out. Shut it up. So, pretty nice flight with it though. A little dusty. The props held up. Maybe they didn't take an impact. It looks like this arm did. This front arm took an impact. But I think when I got behind all this cement over here, I think it just lost reception with the transmitter. through all of this cement and everything, because I just went down. Well, actually, I think by line of sight, these metal trucks over here. So all of that metal, I was going through that, trying to go through one of those cats. Trying to power loop through there, but lost connection. But that's it. Quick little demo flight with the new Avan Babyhawk props. Seem pretty nice for this vehicle here. Pretty nice props. Thanks for watching.